Now we'll go for our next part is our practice set number 41. Next is last time you are seen up to the 1, 2, 3 and 4th question. Now here next is fill in the blanks, one table they are given. In that one see where they are put the blank place that you want to find out their answer. See here they are given the first question principal 4200, rate of interest 7%, time they are given 3 year, and you want to find out the interest and the amount. Then by how you can find out. See here I will show you how to do this. Principal, rate of interest, time they are given. I first you find out using PRT upon 100 formula. If you simplify this, you do the calculation, will get 882 rupees. And afterwards if you get the I, you know the P, then using a P plus I will get a amount. That will amount you are getting 5082. Then this question is a fill in the blanks type, but you have to solve this way. And afterwards finding this answer you can fill that table. Okay, now we'll second question is there. In that one they are not given the principal, but rate of interest they are given here 6%, time they are given here 4 year, interest they are given here 1200, and you want to find out the amount. Means here you want to find out principal and the amount. Then how to solve this one example. Then for that one, see first you write down the given things what they are given. Then here you want to find the principal and the amount, and same formula you have to use. I is equal to PRT upon 100. Using this formula first you find out the P, and when you simplify this one we'll get a P value, will get here 5000. If you know the principal and you know the interest, then you can find amount. I P is A is equal to P plus I will do, will get a 6200 rupees. Then this way you can solve this type of question. Then next question they are given the principal, rate of interest, and you want to find out the time, and the interest they are given, and you want to find out the amount. Then how to solve this type of example. See principal is 8000, rate of interest is 5%, you want to find out the T, and I they are given here 800, and amount you want to find out. See to find out the amount first you want to be here, first you find out here amount. How you can find P plus I, you can do it. P plus I will get 8000 upon 800, will get 8800, that is the amount will get. Now I want to find out the T. For that one you have to use the interest formula. I is equal to PRT upon 100. Then see here if you simplify this question, means you have to do the calculation part, and here we'll get 800 equal to 80 into 5 into T. And when you rearrange this, rearrangement means what, you take 80 multiply 5 to this side, that multiplication will become a division, and after simplification we'll get a T equal to T 2 years, that is your final answer will get. Then this way we have to go for our fourth one question is also there. In that one they not given the principal, rate of interest they are given, time they are not given, but interest and the amount they are given. Then using amount minus interest will get a principal or not, amount minus interest will get a principal. Then see here principal how you can find from A and I, from amount you minus this interest will get a principal, that I am getting 12,000. Using this principal and rate of interest, and again they are given here interest, you want to find out the time. Then you have to use I is equal to PRT upon 100 formula. You put all the values and do it calculation, we'll get a time, will get a 10 years. Okay, then the next fifth one question. In that one see principal they are not given, and rate of interest 2.5% means 2.5. Time they are given here 5 years, I they are given 2400. You want to find out the amount. Then how you can find the amount, first you use the formula I is equal to PRT upon 100. Using this formula first you find out P value, then afterwards we have to use A. How you can find out the amount, P plus I you do it, means 19,200 plus 2,400, that will get a 21,600 rupees. Then this way we have to solve these all example that is related to our banks and the simple interest. Okay, then this is about the complete lesson of the lesson number 10th is there, and you solve this all this problem in your CW book properly, and you do it more and more practice, and you solve the solved example also from your textbook. Then in next time we'll go for our next lesson.